What's your name and the name of your company?
Raymond Jackson with HOA Technology.
How long have you been in business?
Since 2007.
What's your primary business?
We are a full spectrum integration services provider.
Gotcha.
So think about access control, video, license plate recognition, intrusion.
In Irvine, you focus mostly on gated communities?
Guard gated communities, common interest developments, apartments, high density housing.
How did you hear about the OPTEX virtual loop?
From Dana Scroggins.
From Dana?
Dana Scroggins, yeah.
Okay, yeah. She did a good job then.
She's my longtime OPTEX guru.
Right on.
So from red walls and all other things OPTEX.
How has being able to detect the vehicle without cutting into the ground affected your ability, I guess, from an installation standpoint?
It's a fantastic utility device in the sense that we can, as you know, cut a loop, and when that happens, that loop is essentially a time capsule. So if you want to change anything about it as far as placement, you're going to get a chance to do the whole thing all over again.
Right.
And so whereas with the OPTEX vehicle presence detection system, it allows us to not only put it where we think we need it, but change it if we find that needs change, that customer preference change. We find that over time, we learn things about it. So any environment, I'm talking about an entry exit point, we find out things that are different on the day of installation than were there the day of planning and or the day that we thought we needed to put a loop in there in the first place.
Right.
So now we have the ability to pop open your phone, open the app, make a change to it, detect further, shorter. We can make a mechanical adjustment to see further left, further right.
How do you communicate the value of this product to your customer?
Well, I think if you tell a customer the differences between an in-ground saw cut loop and an above-ground device that is adjustable with an app, and or we can look further left, further right, like 90 degrees left and 90 degrees right, making those changes without bringing out a saw. You talk about no downtime.
Yeah.
So if you have an operational gate that you care about and you don't want to shut it down for a day and you're going to be impacted by that, then these are the only option for you.
If somebody was considering to try this product for the first time, what would you say to them, a contractor?
Yeah, I would say have no hesitation, set it up in your office first, just like all things I would say, any device I would say that, set it up in your office first. Just because once you get out there, especially if it's an active gate, an active entry point, I'd say set it up in your office, learn the nuances of the device, get the app installed on your phone, connect to the device, just because I'd much rather learn in my office. That's what I would say, but I would also say, be ready to have your strategy changed. So we stopped installing in-ground loops almost 2 years ago, and I don't foresee we'll ever do an in-ground loop.
Anything else that you think is relevant or important?
Yeah, I would say that, traditional in-ground loop technology hasn't changed in quite a while. We put a lot of pressure on loop detector manufacturers to solve the inductive loop cable and installation problems. What's nice is now you have a professional, technology-centric organization behind vehicle detection. So you guys are listening when we say, hey, what about these LEDs? Can we turn them on? Can we turn them off? And now we have the ability to turn them on and turn them off. It's a different day. And so be ready to think things differently, vehicle detection wise. Once you install your first set, there's no looking back.